Are you looking for the best soil testing kits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best soil testing kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Lusterleaf 1605 Digital Soil Testing Kit. Plants and humans have a lot more in common than most people would care to admit. One of these glaring similarities is the fact that they both need to grow properly. In the case of plants, they get all they need from the soil, and that is why it is highly recommended to take a more look before you leap approach when it comes to the cultivation of crops. Making use of a high-functioning soil testing kit can make all the difference in the world. And for this reason, the producers of the Lusterleaf 1605 Digital Soil Testing Kit made their stellar product available. It may seem like quite a hassle, especially since our ancestors managed to do without a soil analysis kit. But the beauty of modern technology is that it makes life a lot easier. So, what exactly does this device do? This testing kit can perform a number of extensive tests totaling to 25. It carries out 10 for pH and 5 each to check the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash levels. All these need to be on point, seeing as the soil pH affects general nutrient availability. Nitrogen is a vital part of proteins, which are an essential part of all life forms. Phosphorus plays a vital role in capturing and converting the sun's energy into a substance that is ingestible by plants, and potash plays a number of roles, such as regulating CO2 uptake. Now, imagine having a piece of land that contains a balanced blend of all these nutrients. In fact, you no longer need to imagine, because with this soil test kit, you can find out what your soil is lacking and adjust it accordingly. Up next in the 4th place is the Southstar Soil Testing Kit. Taking the bold step to get your soil tested helps you learn a whole lot about the land you wish to cultivate on. In fact, testing soil can open your eyes to more than just its viability when it comes to cultivation. It also reveals how the land functioned in the past, as well as what lies in store for it in the future. If you want to know exactly how to utilize your garden or farm to the maximum, then the best soil testing kit is the Southstar Soil pH Meter. This home soil test kit comes in the form of a highly functional 3-in-1 soil testing features that specifically looks out for moisture levels, pH, and light exposure. All in all, it enables users to know intricate details about their gardens, lawns, or farms. With information like this, you can find out whether you need to water the soil more or less, amend its pH levels, or adjust its overall lighting in order to grow the plants better. It can save you a whole lot of trouble and even more water and time. Altogether, it features a compact and portable design which contributes to its indoor and outdoor usage settings. It is made of high-quality plastics and alloys that are resistant to corrosion and are also not easily mangled or deformed. You can make use of this device in a number of capacities, be it your garden, lawn, or farm. No matter where it is used, it has the ability to transform you into the soil whisperer. The 3rd product on our list is the Veroyi Soil Testing Kit. In most cases, soil samples are taken to big laboratories to get tested. But why send your soil out for testing when you can bring the tester to your soil? With a little bit of training and direction, anyone can learn to make use of these devices and also benefit from the insight they provide. With a stellar device like the Veroyi Soil pH Meter, the information you can learn about the soil you intend to use is completely priceless. This device comes in a convenient and equally efficient 3-in-1 design. First, it monitors the overall soil moisture, thereby detecting whether the plants need more or less water to completely thrive. In addition, it helps detect the pH levels of the soil, as is necessary on a periodical basis. This way, you can have it under control and maintain the value of the soil. This device also checks the light levels, and as such, you can find out if your plants are getting the optimum amount of sunlight, and if not, make the necessary adjustments. All in all, this will help to improve the quality of the growing environment for your plants. Based on these duties, this soil pH meter is the best plant care assistant you can find. And in the case that you are new to gardening or farming, it can altogether give you the boost you need to become an expert. The fact that it is incredibly easy to use is an extra plus. All you need to do is to plug about 3-5 inches of the probe into the soil, then toggle the button to the moisture, light, or pH position. This should be done for at least 10 minutes in order to get an accurate and stable reading. An added plus is that this soil pH probe is perfectly attuned for use indoors as well as outdoors. You can use it to test your lawn, garden, or your farm, and its lightweight design makes it even more convenient. Second on our list is the Southstar soil pH meter. Understanding different soil types, as well as their nutrient composition, can help prevent a whole lot of unnecessary actions taken on the soil. For instance, in the controversial case of fertilization, it can save you a whole lot of time and money. In some pleasant cases, you may even discover that you do not need to fertilize at all, and as a result, your plants will grow healthier than ever. With the Southstar soil pH meter, you can arm yourself with all the necessary information needed to understand general nutrient availability. And as an extension of that, your garden, lawn, or farm will thrive. It works by operating on a 3-in-1 function basis. First, it tests the soil moisture level, its pH value, as well as the level of exposure to sunlight. Based on all this, you can figure out vital information such as how much you need to water your plants or not water them, if the pH levels are conducive for plant growth altogether, as well as the amount of sunlight they are exposed to. Seeing that all these factors can grossly affect the general success of your garden, it helps that the data retrieved from the soil samples are completely accurate as well as reliable. It makes this happen with the use of its premium double needle detection technology, which ensures that this device has all the speed and accuracy you need to correctly detect and analyze soil moisture as well as pH levels. Based on this alone, your plants will thrive and grow healthy. Finally, the top product on our list is the Bluelab Combo Meter Plus. Though this next digital soil pH meter comes last on the list, it is in no way the least. It is still a viable choice when it comes to predicting how likely it is for crops to grow as a result of what is present or lacking in the soil. With the Bluelab Combo Meter Plus, you can rest assured that you are making use of a fast, reliable, and versatile product to increase the chances of a bountiful yield altogether. This device operates as the combination of a pH conductivity and a temperature meter, which can easily be used to test plants and the soil they grow on. With the use of this soil tester, you can easily measure more and, in turn, develop a better understanding of the cultivation process altogether. As a result of its multimedia leap pH probe, it effectively measures the nutrient solution and gives insight into what takes place in the root zone. Do not let the semantics here get the best of you. All this entails is that you will have all the answers when it comes to general plant and soil health. With this digital soil pH meter, you can easily monitor the overall performance of your crops as well as their health. Resulting from its overall design, you can have access to information about the soil and plants that you never dreamt of. Its compact, lightweight, and portable design enables it to comfortably fit in the palm of your hand, and this further enables you to check pH levels wherever you are. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.